Hi guys, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So today is another Venom Testnet tutorial at Airdrop Spot, and today we'll be visiting our testnet website, and that is venom.network/tasks. I'm going to put the link in the comment section for your convenience. So our next task for today is Ylide, and if you have not been following us from the beginning, I'm going to link the playlist of Venom Testnet, the one we have previously done, so that you can watch the tutorial and get started. So our first task is to tweet about Ylide on Twitter. So I'm going to tap on that pen icon to go to Twitter and make a post about them. The post has been already curated for you, so you don't need to think of what to post. And also, because this is Venom Testnet and we normally do this on desktop mode, so make sure that you are watching the video on a full screen, because if not, you won't be able to see anything on the screen whenever you are on the testnet website. So here is the message that has been curated. All I need to do is post the message, and I have been able to make a post. Then I will return to the testnet website now, and then I'll tap on check. Let's see if my task is done. So we're going to move to the next one that says post an on-chain message. So I'm going to tap on that website under post an on-chain message. By the way, if you have found value in any of my content, do not forget to subscribe for more and like this video so that many others can get to see it. And if you have questions, drop me a comment or join us on Telegram. I respond faster there. Okay, so here is the website. Make sure that you are accessing the website with desktop mode. It won't work if you are on mobile mode. So you tap on Venom Wallet, Venom Chrome extension. Sign the message in your wallet, enter your credentials. So on the Ylide website, just picture yourself that you are on your favorite social media app and you want to make a post either on your status, on your story, on your feed, wherever you want to make a post. But now when it comes to Ylide, you are making that post on chain. That is all that is required of you here. So all you need to do is make a post. I'm going to zoom my screen so that you can see other people's posts. Though nothing much, just post something. So I'm going to make a post as well. I'll just write a sentence. So whatever message you post, anybody can see it. It's like a public message. So I'll type in something here. Okay, so I'm typing Venom Blockchain is so cool. Then I'm going to, let me zoom in. Send via Venom Testnet. You need Venom Testnet to be able to post this message. It costs 1 testnet token, I think. So I'll confirm the transaction in my wallet and I am waiting for the message to be sent. Our message has been sent successfully. I'm going to refresh my screen now. We want to check whether we are going to see the message I just posted on chain, just like we are seeing every other person's message. So I am refreshing my screen. Okay, and here is my message. Let me zoom in my screen. You can see that the Venom blockchain is so cool that I just written now. That is it. And another person has even posted something right after my message. So that's it. We are going back to the testnet website and you tap on done. And the next thing is for us to mint our NFT, our certificate. That is what I normally describe it as. Enter your credential. Confirm transaction. It's processing. Our NFT is successfully minted. Thank you for watching and I will see you all in the next video.